Caffeine and coffee acids are the main culprits for why coffee might be upsetting your stomach, but how?
Depending on the type of coffee you're drinking, it may also contain a high amount of acids, which can speed up food digestion and have you running to the bathroom more urgently.
The coffees that are high in acid include
coffee made from Arabica beans
and light roast coffees. It doesn't take much to make your coffee less acidic and still keep it tasting great. Try the following low-acid options to steer your love or hate relationship with coffee back to just love or love. Number 1. Dark roasts.
Dark roast coffees tend to be less acidic because they contain fewer compounds that cause stomach cells to produce acid.
Number 2. Espresso beans.
Because the brewing process is shorter for an espresso or hot espresso drink, this lessens the acid that filters into your cup.
Number 3. Cold brew.
Cold brew is made when ground coffee is steeped for 12 to 24 hours in cold or room temperature water. The long steeping process combined with the cooler temperatures of the brew creates less bitterness and therefore less acid.
Number 4. Low-acid coffee brand. These days, you can find specialty coffee brands whose beans and ground coffee contain less acid. Number 5. Mushroom or chicory coffee blends.
This is a newer trend in the wide world of coffee and tastes better than it sounds. The health benefits of mushrooms, one being reduced inflammation, make this cup of joe go down a bit easier. A few other changes in your coffee drinking habits may relieve you of these symptoms and allow you to reap all the health benefits coffee has to offer.
Don't drink coffee on an empty stomach. Limit the amount you drink to no more than 3 to 4 cups.
Switch from creamer to low-fat milk. Or use low-sugar almond, soy or oat milk as a creamer. Use a paper filter instead of a metal filter, as paper traps more of the acids that would otherwise flow into your cup.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.